Okay, now let's say you have to just check the consecutive repetition of any preceded character or maybe word or maybe pattern. Then you can use quantifiers. So for the quantifiers, there are three main quantifiers. I mean, we can say four. So let's talk about those. So first is the so let's say there I have a pattern which in which I am just trying to make such pattern in which I need to find the matches which start with the word letter A, and it might have n after A consecutively or not. So that means I am saying that the A should start the word, and after A, the occurrence of n could be either 0 or should be 1. So for 0 or 1 occurrence, we can use the question mark, which is the regex token. So this is for this, just to identify as the word is being started. It's a boundary, and after boundary we have a, and after a we have either n or no n is there. Anything else could be there. So you can see that I'm able to match a simply here because there is no n, but here we have one n. We are not able to match second n because we are restricted to the one n, and we have a matching here, a n matching here, a n matching here, a matching here in the also. Same way we go down, yeah, nothing else. So this was the first one, 0 or 1 match, right? Consecutively. Just focus on the consecutive repetition, because I'm not saying that a after p after n, so here a or n should be matched. No, I'm saying after, immediately after a, there should be either n or nothing, either n or no n. Now if I say that after a there could be no n immediately, or there could be more than one, more than 0 n, maybe 1 or 2 or whatever be. So see, I'm able to match this a here, I'm able to see both n here along with a, I'm able to match a here, I want to match a, all the things, right? Now let's say you say that I have to match the a, I have to match the n, repeated n, but the number of occurrence of the n should be either 1 or more than 1, not 0 at least. I mean to say that after a there must be n, but it could be either one time or more than one time, and word should start with n. So for n we can apply star, we can apply the plus, which says that yes, there should be n after a. So you can see that more than 1 or 1 both are covered in by plus. So this one is also matched, this one is also matched, and this one is also matched. We could not match this AR because we are restricted to say that there should be, there must be an after A. But if we say this, then we are saying there could be a n or could not be n. And it's the same way we are saying there could be n or not n. Up now, let's say you are saying that uh, there should be exactly one n, or maybe let's say there should be exactly two n. So after a immediately, so you can specify that count in such a way. So it will exactly match those repetitions, consecutive repetitions of n along with a. So this is how these three quantifier work, four quantifier works, because we have here we have talked about this quantifier and this quantifier and plus quantifier and the number specific quantifier. So this means we have to check consecutive occurrence of that particular letter or maybe pattern or character via 0 or 1. It means star means 0 or more than 0, and this means 1 or more than 1, and it means exactly this number of times. So just focus on the consecutive word. I'm saying the repetition should be in a manner of consecutive, not just after with some gap.